Hi there, George here. Today I'm going to show you a Phalaenopsis orchid with rotten roots which I found yesterday, and I was lucky to found, and it was in the yard of an apartment building, and someone throw away it. I just take it, and in this video I will try to save it. I will put it in water, and I think I will subject with that, and I will have another orchid in my collection, and happy that I found it. And this spike I will cut, and all the roots I will cut, they are bad. I will see if I will see good roots, I will not cut. That's it, and I will wash well this orchid from dust, something like that. And well done, let's begin. In this bucket I put water to wash these roots, and after that I go to the tap water and wash well all the orchid. And that's it. Let's begin. Well, look at the root system. I go under a jet of water and I will wash very well. Ready, I clean it very well. I will let it to dry, and after that I will cut all the roots which are bad and the spike too. Now the orchid dried well of water, and I have to cut the bad roots. Let's do that. The instruments, I have sterilized them, and first I will cut the spike. Let's do that. But now let's cut all the rotten roots. I'm done, and this root seems to be good, you can see. And I will let them, I will not cut them. There I will cut a little bit. So remained only these roots. This is the final result. So looks like now. Now I will put it in water to grow new roots, and I think will grow soon. Let's do that. I put a little bit water, as you can see there, and now let's put the orchid in it, like so. And I think sometimes we need to change the water. So I hope will come back, and for me will grow beautiful, and we will see when it will bloom what color it will be. Amazing to have orchids. So that's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching to the end. That means a lot to my channel. And put like and hit the subscribe button if you want. Greetings from Moldova. See you next time and have an amazing day. Bye bye.